The next task is the serpentine belt replacement. So you have the AC pulley that it has to go around, the alternator pulley that it needs to drive. Over here you have the power steering pulley that it needs to drive. And here's the engine main shaft pulley, which is actually the one that drives everything. Real simple. If you still have it on your vehicle, here is the wiring diagram of how to put the belt, the serpentine belt. Here's a serpentine belt, and honestly the most challenging part noticeably when it runs through here to get to the AC pulley, there's two portions of the belt. So what I have to do is squeeze the belt, feed both sides through here, and then put the shaft on the crankshaft, just like this. And I mentioned squeeze the belt, let's get it like this here, because both this part of the belt has to go through the tensioner and the idler pulley. So once you get it through, there it is, you got both ends through. Here's my finger, there's the loop. So you can go ahead and thread it from up top. Over the AC pulley. This all can be done from the top of the vehicle, but I usually go on the bottom to make sure it's sitting right. You do not have to take the fan off, so what you want to do is leave to gain tension, leave this top half now on the alternator pulley just to secure it, because you take the back off and lock the belt under. Now, needless to say, the rigid part of the belt goes on the pulleys. So you take the belt, same concept, got it under the water steering pump. Oh, as well, under the water pump. So it takes a little bit of doing, but it's not challenging because they did a pretty good job of giving instructions. So this is the top belt. So on the top, on the bottom. So put around the power steering pulley, and then open the belt with some tension. So now you have it routed over the AC pulley. Over the drive belt or over the crankshaft. Rock back to the power steering pulley. Now the final step is getting it over the alternator pulley, which is where you get your breaker bar, recommend a big breaker bar. You're going to put it in the slot. So it's in the slot. Make sure your belts are sitting in the groove. Power steering groove. Main crankshaft bearing drive groove. Down through the idler and the tensioner and around the air compressor pulley. Now the last step is to get it over the alternator. As you notice, it's pretty tight. So that's where you take your breaker bar, put it in this slot. There's a slot created by where you pull the breaker bar to move the tensioner, give it a room to put the belt on. But now I'll need my hand, so I'll have to pause. Now the belt is on. Verify it's in the groove. Verify it's sitting flush. Verify it's on the tensioners. And on the, verify it's fitted properly. In the groove.